All right, here we go. Yeah, I mean, I can't believe I'm live after so long. So, yeah, why not? I'll just quickly live now on YT. Send the notification across. Please join. Okay. Yeah, hope I'm audible. I'll just check myself as well. All right, yeah. Hello. Hi, Swanand. What's up? Thank you so much for joining. It's been a long time. How are you? How's everyone? It's raining. It's monsoon is back. Huh? I'm good. You have forgotten me. No, yaar, I mean, I'm really sorry. I just moved my locations. I've been very occupied with moving between cities, and it's been very tiring. Like, getting everything set up, from getting ACs fixed, serviced, car transferred, all the luggage and everything. So, like, I only got my monitors and CPU and everything back a couple of days or 4 days back. So. Hi, it's been of course I can't forget you all, right? You know me like at least yeah, even if our paths cross, I'll always remember. Not in Bangalore. Hi Devashish. Yes, yeah, I switched from Bangalore to Gurgaon. Yo Varu. What's up, yaar? What a nice weather. I thought I'll go run outside, but it was well, yeah, I think I've lost my stamina. But yeah, the weather is good today. It's just very like compared to Bangalore. I got promoted here last month. So congratulations, yeah, well done. It's good to be promoted when you are in the company you work at. So very happy for you, yeah, very happy. Uh, I'm not sure if I should mention your company, but I always love the company you work in. I have fond memories there. So huh, good for you. Lovely weather in Congo. Thank you so much again for helping me out with everything, Baruch. Do it. NVIDIA, huh? I think वो first love वाली बात होती है ना, the first company you work in, you always have very fond memories of it. And when the first firm you work at is, well, I'm not sure about the work culture in India, very honestly. It could be bad, it could be good, I don't know. But in the US, of course, I've had a pleasure of, I don't know, finding great mentors and great folks to work. I don't even think I hated even a single person for even a single second, right? On my way to crash stream. Okay, come here, come. बस ये कोशिश गेट खोल दूंगा ठीक है जस्ट लेफ्ट ऑफिस अरे व्हाट द इस टाइम पे कौन ऑफिस छोड़ता है 10 10 o'clock बट ओके डिड यू स्विच नहीं आसवन एंड आई एम इन द सेम फर्म आई जस्ट स्विच्ड द location so yeah I haven't switched yet or at least I haven't switched not sure if I should use yet सही है how's everyone doing though like it's been some time Devashish how are you doing I guess we never got a chance to meet in Bangalore. I always used to pass by and then think, yeah, okay, Devashish works here, just one floor, and like very honestly, guys, that's Bangalore for you. Like, you would know so many people, right? You would know almost everyone who like lives. Let's say they live 2 kilometers away, right? And you still find hard to make plans because of course, the traffic, I would say. Is my voice really loud though? I think yes, right? The filter is super loud, I guess. Let me just reduce it by a bit. Okay, it's fine. Okay. ठीक है, I hope this one is okay as well. If not, do let me know. Still at the 8th floor. Nice. How's your work going, Devashish? It's fine. ठीक है. 1 year here now. Okay. Time to switch. Stream out of 7. Hi. Hello. Hi there. Hi, Ardev. Yes, I just settled down in the new city finally. I was just telling everyone that I got my monitors, CPU back. I mean, today I was fixing my Wi-Fi. It disconnects every one hour or something, like very randomly, and I was like so frustrated. I could not stream because of that. So today I got it installed in some location. Tomorrow I'll get the LAN connected because why would you pay so much if you don't get a LAN connected to your CPU? So, I'm still. I would say I haven't really settled here I I wouldn't say I miss Bangalore, but yeah, I mean, I'm still getting used to the culture in Gurgaon again. It's been some time. So yeah, how do you find GGM? Yeah, it's something I wanted to anyways talk about. Like, I think uh, it's a good topic for you all as well. I would say personally, it's always good to be back here. Thankfully, Varu was here, so I didn't really find it difficult to settle down. Like I have my company here as well, so I like I knew people, but I'm not a person who cannot live without people. Though not discarding the fact that they were there. Like I just need my monitors and CPU most of the time. So overall, it's true that Bangalore has a very, very, very youth cult. Just that Gurgaon is too classy. Given the way, like, for example, all the malls, all Delhi, like, very honestly, like, I was going from Gurgaon to Ghaziabad, right? And the metro connection, the connectivity, right? Like, the way you can move from one city to another city, you don't even feel like, okay, you've done that. Like rapid metro is here, all the facilities and the malls, for example, like Aerocity Mall, these like DLF Cyber City and all. Um, those all are crazy. Like, and like I went to Aerocity and just, walking down on the lane of that made me like remember US for the very first time in India. I've never felt that before. And I literally say that I was like, of course, it was night. It was not very hot as well. The weather is different in California, so that's different. But just the whole vibe, it's beautiful, right? And of course, people do drive crazy. Uh, like just that because they have roads to drive in, right? Like, um, very honestly, yeah, Central Mall. I've said that Pune's traffic lake is the new lake of Bangalore. Yeah, I mean, I've heard that Pune's traffic is also really bad, but uh, yeah, I mean, so does Bangalore, right? And like, I can tell you, Devashish, the whole, I mean, of course, to everyone else as well, like, if you have some responsibilities to take in, like, for example, my family is in Jaipur, or, the other things as well out here. So for me, it made more sense to move to Gurgaon, and since I've come here, like, of course, I miss my friends, I miss them a lot, but, you know, hopefully we'll keep meeting and we are still in touch, so that feels good. But overall, the city vibe, with respect to city and all, I think um, Gurgaon just rocks it like a 100%. Of course, there is traffic, but like when the red on the map shows off, right? It's not really really red, right? It's possibly what is the other color? I forgot what's the other color. One is blue, one is red, the other is I haven't really seen that in Bangalore. It's mostly red or blue. Uh, I forgot, but yeah, I mean that's mostly how it looks like. The cars are still moving. And of course, the infrastructure is orange. Yes, there you go, right? Thank you. Or yellow. I don't remember, but yes, either of those colors. Uh, but the traffic is still moving, right? Like that's one of the wonderful things. And yes, as I said, like like you should not really risk your life. So drive safe is all I would say. But anyone who is an expert in driving should generally be okay with this. I feel Google Maps is on some Canary version in Bangalore. Blue is not blue. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what Google Maps is really high on. And very honestly, like very honestly, Google Maps, even in Gurgaon, like it's very hard to find the correct lane to go for. Like there are problems in Bangalore. For example, there's traffic, right? There are potholes. There are people, auto drivers, Rapido, bike, and all. Not really the problem, but of course, like the way they drive. And of course, if I was driving a two-wheeler, I would also drive given the traffic. But in Gurgaon, the problems are different. Not to say that there are no problems, but having a 10-lane road, now figuring out which tunnel to take and whether to go on this NH or to go to this tunnel, you never know which one to take, right? And this is all very confusing. So for me, I was still getting used to it. Have you faced a e-rickshaw menace? I think that's mostly in UP from what I've. Oh, hi, Chavi. Guys, meet my fiance. She's here, Chavi Shrimali. Like, She comes with a high QT and she leaves immediately. I'm getting married next year, so yeah, meet her here. Uh, but yeah, hi. ठीक है, पूरा पूरा फ्लो खराब कर देने का, ठीक है, आके You didn't even tell me. यार मुझे खुद नहीं पता था मैं शादी करने वाला हूँ. It all happened so मतलब trust me, it's not like it's been going on for a year. Like I think mostly February में ही सब चीजें decide हुई, and so it's been quite recent. हाँ, we haven't really talked a lot because of Counter Strike, but yeah. Have you faced a e-rickshaw or self-driving EVs? नहीं यार अभी of course they are called as self-driving EVs. Thank you Devashish, thank you so much. But I think like हम लोग यूपी गए थे, so we have seen that in UP because there I if I'm not wrong वहाँ पे autos are not like allowed and all, so only e-rickshaws are allowed, and वहाँ पे like भाई they drive at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour, 20 kilometer per hour, and we were just so stuck. So हाँ, then it feels like is EV the real solution for these auto rickshaws? I don't know. Congratulations, man. Thank you. Thank you so much, Vanandya. Thank you so much, Devashish. Uh, yeah, I'm a, like if I ever to be like, if I have to go back into my life and say that what would you do next? I would say either don't start a YouTube channel, or when you start, be a better YouTuber than this. Like on a random channel, I'm talking about I got engaged and I'm getting married. Like, it's a reasons why I don't get subscribers and reasons why I don't get views, but I don't do it for either of them. So I think I'm very happy that you all, I don't know how you all make it, but thank you so much, here. Thank you. Is anyone getting married here? Apart from, of course, Chavi is getting married because it's mutual, right, Chavi? It's mutual, right? Okay, don't answer that question. These clips will be played by Nihal on your wedding. Nihal is in Delhi, right? I think I should meet him one day. Yeah, this thing I'm telling you again, I don't know if Devashish will agree or not. Like, or Swanand, you are in the God's state, so I think Dev, I don't think you will relate. But the whole traffic situation in Bangalore makes even 10 kilometers sound like, okay, yaar, chodo, let's not go, right? So that one thing that Bangalore really needs to fix, right? Like here, if I'm looking out for 5 kilometers away, just for a street food, I'm very confident that I'll get a parking slot. Right, I can go easily, come back like most of the times. Not always, of course. I don't expect, okay, that I know there's a thing that, okay, during rain and all, like the whole roads will be bad, but it's okay. And I mean, talk about Bangalore, right, or any other city for that matter. Even Hyderabad gets really bad in traffic with respect to whenever it rains. ठीक है, like it's okay. I at least, like, if you see what's the best out of it, sure, like Gurgaon infra, Delhi infra. I think the whole NCR infra makes sense. I'm just 26 years old. 26 is not just. 26 is a lot. Just that COVID aa gaya and these 2 years spent by. Otherwise, yeah, if you remember, before COVID, we all used to think 26 is the right age to get married. But, I think the time taken to get matured is a word? Matured. Are you matured? Are you mature? Matured is not a word, right? 26 is just only. अच्छा बेटा, ठीक है, okay छवि. 26 is not just, मतलब कोविड से पहले 26 was the age when you would want to get married, right? I would prefer Hyderabad over Bangalore. Pune is already worse because of traffic. Could be right. I've heard about Pune. Chavi did study in Pune, by the way, so but I think that was some time back. So, but yeah, she can comment as well. But traffic I've seen. Shut up, no, what? Correct, I hate driving here. In Delhi, 10 kilometers is a 30 minutes affair. My office is 7 kilometers and I've spent. AT junction is bad. Don't talk about AT junction. This is one thing I don't I don't want in my life is AT junction. You just spend around 10 to 15 minutes in a single traffic going from eco world to your age. I agree with Bhabhi. Shut up, no, 30 is the best age. 30 is, अब मैं single नहीं unmarried category में आता हूँ. That's funny. नहीं, 30 is not the best age. करवाओ उसको शादी, ठीक है, 4 साल बाद शादी करते हैं छवि. If I will give an option, she'll take it, so I'm not going to give an option. But हाँ, I know 30 is not the best age. Yeah. I mean, get married in your 20s and live your 30s with your better half. Like, क्यों 30s में? Okay, but makes sense. I would want not to talk about my my love for Nvidia, Swanand. I love Nvidia to another level. I don't think I'll get it though. The interview process, I'm not very smart. So yeah. Hello, bhai. Hi, Ankit. Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Hi, Z060. Bro, which WM or WC? Do you mean window manager? Uh, if that's what you mean, it's Hyperland. Uh, I would say that it's also a window manager, but I think Hyperland has become just more than that. Now your brother takes interview for us. अरे क्या बात है? Which company are you with right now? Like I'll share my LinkedIn. I generally don't talk about where I work for many other reasons. One of them is I work for D Shaw. Yeah, I mean, uh, okay, I'll go and tell it. Not very smart. ये कब आया? ये why does this guy come and randomly comment and then go away? मतलब देव यार मुझे थोड़ा तो समझाओ ना. I'm master in CUDA computing. क्या बात है? Are you writing CUDA programs nowadays or of course like yeah, you just talked about where you work. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes, yes. Okay. ठीक है. Yeah, I think I should find a new job. I've been thinking about it. How much do you think Bhola is our fool? Yeah. Yes, I think she knows it already. I end up saying things that I should not, but it's okay, right? Yeah, I'll make this stream private. Because one thing is for sure. Yeah, Noddy. I mean, yes. Chavi knows that my name is Noddy. Swanan, tell her. Uh, I used to be called as Noddy. Only for you guys, not for me. अच्छा नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं है. I've never been over smart with you, Chavi. What do you mean? मेरी एक इमेज है यार YouTube पे प्लीज. नॉडी वो कार्टून वाला. यस देवशीष भाई वो आपका एक फ्रेंड था who was working compiler design. What is his name? Probably you're looking for Gagandeep Singh. You might find him on LinkedIn. Feel free to connect with him. I think we did a podcast together, if I'm not wrong. But if you're looking out for someone else, I'm not sure, Ankit. But हाँ, I think Noddy inspired a lot to me to reach this level, Chavi. अरे कुछ भी भाई, I did nothing. मतलब I don't, मतलब I haven't really helped you out with headshots in Counter Strike, so can't really help out there as well. मतलब कोई I don't think I have any part in anyone's life at this point. Noddy वो cartoon वाला. Yep. Make way for Noddy. Noddy, खुल के बोलो हो रे. Pum pum. Nah, Noddy is bad. Okay, that I. Where's Gagandeep now? I don't think I'm not aware where is he right now. Probably like just check out his LinkedIn. He's popular enough. Very happy for him in general as well. So Abhi is in Bangalore. I don't think so, but not really sure if I should comment on that. Do you want me to do new fetch? I don't think I've. I'll quickly install new fetch for you. Make way for Noddy. The enthusiasm to study came from you only. That is why I came here, mother. Came here, brother. मदर बुला दिया भाई मुझे. आई थिंक ये में होगा. नहीं यार, I mean, see, with respect to studies and all, like my only point is like if you enjoy it, do it with all honesty. And pretty sure like Swanan started doing it, and he's here. Like ये translate हो रहा है yeah, I understand. But I mean, like I always say this thing, like it's very fun to earn money and work hard together because then it stays. Like that's all I have to say. Like whatever you do when you work hard, it stays. I know छवि बोलेगी यार ये फिर शुरू हो गया, but ठीक है, this is like something I do. You wanted new fetch, you want to know my specs, there you go. Endeavor OS Linux x86 64, host is whatever, doesn't matter, 7.0, our kernel, uptime 28 minutes, packages 1495 via Pacmans, Shell, ZSH, resolution 2K, D, Hyperland, BleedStar, doesn't matter. Terminal is Kitty, 12 Gen Intel i9-12900K, uh, Intel Alder Lake is GT1. I had this? No, I don't. I never knew. Okay, it's of course probably I'm not sure. I only care about this one though. Yeah, I have 64 GB CPU memory and 12 GB GPU VRAM. So if that helps, Z060. Hope you're happy. Auto translate is not working correctly. कोई बात नहीं, it's okay. YouTube vibe coded auto translation, I guess. Make way for Noddy. Noddy, खुल के बोलो हो रे. So tell me something like, how is everyone doing with? Okay, all right. Can you guys hear me? All right. Okay, let's check this again. Am I audible? Let's do it again. खत्म internet. नहीं 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 lol. अरे यार, I have no idea. I told you guys, right? It goes off every 1 hour. Okay. Ankit, I'm really sorry. Like, I would generally prefer not to talk about my firm over on YouTube, like because of many other reasons. I think it's like Deesh as a trading firm. Okay, did I just do that? Okay, like I'll just suggest, please, don't mind. Please just search about Deesh on Google and you'll find enough about them. So yeah, I think that should help. But I'm sorry, guys. I'm not sure what keeps happening. The net keeps going on and off. And Dave, what is that photo of me? Am I back though? Can you guys see me? Hello. Hi everyone. Am I visible? Am I audible? Can anyone say hi? Yes, okay, Dave. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, ठीक है. Stop taking my screenshots and putting on Discord. It feels bad. But did anyone see? Thank you, Z0. Thank you, Dave. Thank you for confirming. I was so stuck. I was like, okay. But I'm not sure what's happening with my internet. I think tomorrow they'll get me the LAN cable, which should ideally fix it. Which open source project are you rooting now, like in past PyTorch and Lightning AI? I'm always rooting for PyTorch because of the people I've worked for. Lightning AI, I'm not sure where are they at right now. At the time when I used to work with them, I used to love what they were building. At least in the open source stuff, not really sure what they've done since then. But yeah, they're smart people for sure, and they've got really good uh, collaboration. And the lead contributors and all are super smart. They're very nice, very humble. So yeah, it's back. Nice to know. ठीक है अभी अभी देखना देखा छवि is not here. So she comes, says hi, she enjoys थोड़ा roasting and all, then she goes away. कोई रुकता ही नहीं है जिंदगी में यार, ऐसे बताओ कैसे कितना बुरा लगता है, but it's okay, that's life. Anyways, anyone has a topic that they would want to discuss in one of our streams? I really want to go back to our normal coding. Like I don't know if you all have explored Warcraft. नहीं यार, I'm really sorry, I haven't really done it. भैया podcast when यार, I'm not sure किसके साथ करनी है, ये नहीं पता podcast. Otherwise why not? Fast AI. Oh yes, I think they first of all the author had a lot of uh, these controversies, right? It's yeah. I mean, great question though, Devashish. I've been yeah, they are yeah. Are they still like active? Let's look at their GitHub commits, for example. Okay, for a company like Fast AI, yeah, this I don't think they are really committing on anything anymore. And these comments, yeah, Jeremy Howard, right? I think at this point he was just maintaining in Waycraft WC, not really Z0, not really. What is Waycraft though? We'll check it out. Just one second. We are looking at Fast AI, but yeah, I think they ended up creating a new organization, Fast HTML GPU.cpu. What is this? Yeah, I mean, okay, a lightweight library for portable low-level GPU computation using web GPU. I mean, see, when like all the stuff that Fastly did was super amazing, right? Like, I mean, uh, all the courses they had, I think they really taught deep learning to so many people, right? Devashish, I think we all used to do it. I'm not sure if all others have done it, but yeah, we. So looks like Fastly got converted into answer.ai or something. At least over the blog, they are mentioning a bit about solve it features, how to solve it with code. I'm not sure. I think they, yeah, yeah. I don't really see any latest commits. Last release was Feb 14 on the Valentine's Day. What happens on Valentine's Day? Why do coders really code on Valentine's Day? Does your current work satisfy you, like as an engineer, or just current work? I'm generally okay with what I do. Like if I'm not okay, you would generally not see me in the firm. Um, and depends on how you see it, right? The definition for okay to me is something that pays me well because I care about my family as well. Second, something that keeps me occupied, and third, something that doesn't have any unfair or unethical or illogical things in there. So, because my bar of having a job right now, at least in India, has gone down a lot, I would say, because um, I haven't really found so many good people to work with before. Before, okay, like I think like as a work culture wise, I've always found a drastic difference between what we used to see it in the US or open source or working with the firms outside of India. Maybe I just got lucky and chose the right firms before. But yeah, I mean, where I work right now, I'm very happy. I'm okay. Someone once told me that my salary is. Acha, okay, so this is what's happening. Someone once told me salary गिर रही है ना. अच्छा मैंने बताया था क्या? अच्छा, okay, so this auto, why is there auto translate here though? What is this? YouTube, why do you come with features? Or maybe it's Brave browser acting up, I'm not sure. The security company where you were first hired in India is still operating or closed. It's still operating, and I love that firm. I love that company. And I can talk proudly about it because of the people I worked with, and they were amazing. They were AMAZING. Amazing. Out of the box. One of the best people I've worked with. Uh, it's not my problem, is it? चल क्या रहा है समझ में नहीं आता मुझे ये देखो ये क्या ही चल रहा है why though some features I don't get why they built but ठीक है. So I was just saying yeah out of all this I really miss coding full stop. I really miss thinking about competition. I really miss doing the real deep learning work, right? At one point of time, we used to do deep learning in C++, and that caught up, right? I miss doing all of that, and possibly because, see, even at that time when we were streaming, like 2020, right? 6 years back, when I was doing OpenCV, even 7, 8 years back as well, when I was looking at the OpenCV's code base, I think I've learned a lot compared to what I do right now with Claude. There are easier ways to do via Claude, but uh, like personally, I would really want to go back to coding. Or, I mean, coding is a very generic term I use. I would really want to go back and learning about something, building something with scratch, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is so true, right? Like, I think I've said it before as well. I think that I was quoting someone. Of course, it's not from me, but copying your context, pasting into Perplexity or ChatGPT, reading through the answer gets you more learning than compared to like just having your Claude or Cursor agent within your IDE, right? Because what you do is you copy a specific code that you're looking for, you add something of your own. Of course, it's more work given how Claude and Cursor have emerged. It doesn't really make sense for you to just go and copy and paste in Perplexity because of the whole context, which is good and bad, right? On both reasons. So that's where I see that see, the way I would say the professional world has moved doesn't shouldn't really matter on how our hobbies stay, right? All of us have had love for programming, love for computer science. Like let leave aside programming, but love for computer science at one point of time. That's why we are here, right? And to just have that, uh, it means a lot, right? So why not we just carry it on, right? I was just talking to someone you see, there are automatic cars that have come up, but people still like driving manual. It's not like they're outdated. M- For taxi drivers, though, you should know how to drive automatic because, of course, it's now going to be a trend, right? So they should not lose the skill. But that also means that if you want to drive a manual car, uh, a very old ambassador on a weekend, you should go and do it, right? So why doesn't it really apply on development in computer science as well? Right? Like if you would go and see like uh, it is applicable to every field, full stop. Right? Doctors, for example, they have new instruments, they have new things, but whenever they want to research in their labs and all, they could just go and do it. Right? That's up to them. But of course, when they want to get work done, they can use the faster and safer methods. Right? So I would say in the professional world, it's totally up to you what you want to do because AI timelines cannot match human code. So this is a line I've been using for some time in my firm as well. If you have any work that you think that AI can do in 2 days, and I take it on my ego and say that, okay, no, I will want to do it with my human written code. That's not possible in 2 days always. Because from the end user perspective, they're thinking with AI, it's going to be in 2 days. From you, it's going to take a week testing, writing, whatever, right? So you don't pair that up, right? In my opinion. Classic algorithm, according to you, who is winning OpenAI, Anthropic, not really an expert to comment, but I think just OpenAI has stronger hands. Classic algorithm versus deep network in field of computer science. Computer vision, who wins? Both have their own use cases, right? Like classic algorithm, for example, like I even say this, image processing, whatever algorithms you used to have, they're always going to stay, right? Data pre-processing is never going to go away, right? Even with LLMs, you're always going to parse data. You can't just type, like always give that particular image, given the cost, impact as well. So it really matters in that way. Do you use local LLM? Yes, I do. I do use Olama as an API to connect to some open source models. Which bike do you have? I don't have a bike. Hey, please come live more often. Thank you so much, Ankit. I will try. I'll try. I'll try. Yeah, I mean, we'll start doing more of computer science than talking, but this stream is just mostly to interact with you all and say hi. Given I'm still settling down, I hope you all understand. But whenever you get a chance, please do share this channel with others. And I would like to see more of, more of you on Discord and keep chatting. I think the Discord is already pretty active, even though by 2 or 3 people, yeah, but they do talk a lot and good stuff though. Uh, okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Anyone wants to say anything? Otherwise, we will log off. This was a hi, hello stream. When I think on the weekend I'll be coming back. Possibly tomorrow as well. I'll try. Please do join on my Discord. Follow me on Twitter as well. I'll try to share more often whatever I have there, and we'll see. And thank you so much, Dave, Ankit, Z0. I think it was your first time, Z0. Devashish, thank you everyone for being here. Varu was here, I assume. Who else was there? Chavi was here. Thank you so much, Chavi, for joining. Swanand, yes, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. It was nice meeting all. Yeah, I'm not sure they've I think Ankit does it every time. He types all the messages and then he deletes towards the end of the stream. So I'm not sure why he does that. But anyways, the chats are recorded, Ankit. You should know that they are streamed when the stream comes up again. So just if I enjoy Om Sweets in GGM, yeah, I've heard about it though. I think I should go and visit. And Devashish, if anyone ever gets a chance to come to Delhi, do let me know. Yeah, you're caught in 4K. Yes. Yeah. Yes. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure he's aware as well. But yeah, and Gunni, yes, I'm glad you remember. Cool. All right. Hi everyone. Bye everyone. Take care. Thank you so much. Thank you again for being here. Gunni, and I'll see you again this time, proper coding rather than doing this. But yeah, thank you. Bye. There you go. Redacted. Bye. Retracted. Whatever. Ta-da. Good night and good luck again. Thank you. Same to you.